Mr. Preacher, I'm so sorry for your loss and all the bodies buried with you. Denying science has a deadly cost. Preaching propaganda can't stop the truth. Mr. Preacher, you're handsome and you're smart. You got the gift of gab and you're really super charming. You're a damn good actor and you sure can play the part. But why do you despise all the people you're harming? You hypnotize your flock with hate and fear, wasting life worried about the next. You know the next will never come. You know it's all over when it's done. Mr. Preacher, your power must feel so amazing to stand up on that stage and command their attention. Is it God or the preacher the people are praising? They raise their hands and hold reality in suspension. You hypnotize your flock with hate and fear, wasting life worried about the next. Mr. Preacher knows the next will never come. He knows it's all over when it's done.